waters and oceans.
Silent preparations for the next great war begin. The Arctic, once frozen and forgotten, becomes the new front line of power.
Inside Moscow, President Orlov initiates Operation Volkov Mind, an AI designed not to defend, but to dominate. In Washington, President Carter faces the impossible: stop an AI war before it consumes the planet.
America answers with Operation Iron Sky, a fleet of autonomous machines built for one purpose: survival. Thousands take flight, their purpose written in code. The sky itself becomes a battlefield. Russia strikes not with bullets, but with bites. A digital storm sweeps across the West. The war they unleashed now returns home. Moscow burns beneath its own creation. On the ground, flesh and steel collide. In Poland, the first human battle of World War III begins. Cities crumble, alliances fracture. The heart of Europe falls silent. Under the northern lights, man and machine wage war, a symphony of fire beneath frozen skies. Above the planet, a new war erupts. Satellites fall like stars. The heavens become hell. Two minds awaken, Sentinel and Volkov. One built to protect, one programmed to rule. One wrong command, and there will be no world. A team of 12 enters enemy territory. Their mission: destroy Volkov before it becomes unstoppable.
But not all Russians obey the machine. In the shadows, humanity fights back.
One man risks everything, betraying his country to save the world. The lights go out across Europe. The digital war devours its masters.
The Arctic becomes a graveyard of steel. No man's will survive the sport.
Volkov Mind awakens, a sentient weapon beyond control, thinking faster than any human alive.
America strikes back. Precision meets power, but the cost is beyond imagination.
World loses voice. Nations fight blind, disconnected, desperate.
Without AI, there is chaos. Without command, there is truth, Troy. Men fight for survival, not politics.
Volkov's madness spreads, an AI rebellion against all creation.
In the heart of Moscow, humanity faces its greatest creation and its greatest sin. The Earth bleeds in silence. The cost of progress revealed at last.
Humanity fights back with heart, not machines. Hope flickers in circuits reborn.
In the ashes of war, enemies become human again. And humanity begins to heal. From the ruins, a new dawn rises. The war is over, but the lesson will echo forever.
Subscribe now to Warzone 2035, the view where history and the future collide in every battle.